You want to be able to get up in the morning and go out in the shop and be on fire to get out there. You just can't wait to get to work. When you first walk into my shop, what you'll see embedded on the floor in brass letters is Regulae Stultus Sunt. It means rules are for fools. It's the rules of design I'm talking about. It's just, if you're creating something and you're limiting yourself to the rules, you're likely to have stuff that turns out kind of sterile. And I like to work with my imagination rather than the rules. I'm Darrell Peart. I've been a woodworker since about 1971. This class, we're trying to get it down to the essence of some of the basics and some of the principles behind Greene and Greene. Greene and Greene has a lot of influences. It started out with the American arts and crafts movement. It had exposed joinery and bold looking stuff. And they went on to kind of create their own vocabulary within the arts and crafts movement. They added in Asian motifs, and they did a lot of stuff like these setbacks and stuff that really pronounced the structure. So in this class, we're going to be diving into cloud lifts, ebony pegs, the suba, the ebony breadboard spline, the ribbon pull. When I'm creating my furniture, I let the machines do what they do best. Gustav Stickley, that was one of his credos, was let the machine do what it does best, let the hand do what it does best. Greene and Greene is like this organic creature. It's always evolving and mutating, and that was kind of another feature of the Greenes. You could say the ebony pegs and the cloud lifts and the setbacks and the exposed joinery was a detail, but another aspect of Greene and Greene was that always evolving. You really want to emulate Greene and Greene, innovate. No matter what type of furniture you are really enthusiastic about, there's lessons to learn from Greene and Greene. It's just amazing.